feel the ancestors flowing through me. Yes, I feel God. I feel nature. I feel Gaia. I feel the feelings, all the feelings. Up, down, sideways, sideways. You know, I feel all of them. And I love life, you know. I don't like the people that's in life. Not most of them. It's very few that you will meet that's real genuine. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got to say you got to be God-fearing and preachy and all that good stuff. You know, it's good to be preachy, I guess, to some people that need it. Some of us is just born woke. You know what I'm saying? You was the black sheep of the family since birth. They knew you were different. They knew you were different. They knew. He's different. He's not like the rest of us. He don't act like the rest of us. He don't move like the rest of us. He's not one of us. He's not a clone. He's not someone that chases things. I let things come to me. You know? That's how you gotta be. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Take it easy. Don't stress yourself out. Shit gonna happen the way it's supposed to happen. You're gonna be all right, no matter what. God is with you. You know what I'm saying? Whether you're a good person, bad person, or in the middle. In the middle. I love trees. Look at that tree. That tree loved me too. Look at him. He just flowing. The ancestors flowing through him. He's talking to me. I'm talking to him. I love trees. I love water. I love these birds. If they stop flying around so much, they better be still so I can talk to them. But hey, just wanted to say, don't be so hard on yourself. Life's gonna be all right. It's gonna be good. I promise you that. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be all right. And yes, I do got hair. My hair still, I was gonna cut it. I was gonna cut off my dreads. I was gonna cut it off. I was gonna be like, man, I'm tired of this, you know what I'm saying? But I got the good sun. I got the sun going. I got the water going. I got a good life, you know what I'm saying? Whether you know, should I be driving around looking for girls? Should I be all in the club? Or should I be, you know, in the matrix? You gotta get money, you know? You gotta have money. You gotta have friends. You gotta have family. And much love to those who have families. Much love to those because, you know what I'm saying, family is important. I love my kids. I love my family. I love I love everything that moves, everything that breathes, everything. But here's the thing. You gotta love yourself first. Take it one day at a time. Don't let this shit stress you out. Take a deep breath. Oh, shout out to 19 Keys. Shouts out to Ralph Smart. Shout out to all the, you know what I'm saying, people that's trying to do good, that's doing right. And what's his name, Kweli? Shout out to him too. Gotta love him too. Shout out to the airplanes. Shout out to people that's moving around, enjoying life, not letting nothing bother them, just enjoying the moment. Enjoy the moment. That's my words to you. Enjoy the moment. That's all you got. You know, tomorrow ain't promised. Sometimes today ain't promised. So, hey, love yourself. Love who you are. If you're ugly, fat, skinny, cross-eyed, whatever, tilted to the side, whatever, love yourself. Let the world come to you. That's my message. Let the world come to you. Have a good heart. Stay positive.